have written over 100 successful video ideas in the past 3 months using a simple framework. And the best part, each idea took less than 10 minutes to find. It's so efficient that it feels like I'm cheating, but legally. Imagine having an endless supply of video ideas that are practically guaranteed to resonate with your audience before you even record. No more staring at a blank screen, no more guessing what will work. Because in this video, I'll show you my exact 4-step framework for finding successful video ideas in under 15 minutes. This is not just theory. I'll break down real examples from successful business channels and show you exactly how to replicate their success. But before I show you the framework, there's one massive mistake that's killing most YouTube channels before they even start. You see, 99% of business creators are playing a losing game when it comes to finding ideas. Most people are trying to compete with the biggest names like Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzi, and other big creators. Think of it like trying to outscream a kid in a candy shop. It's just not gonna work. But there's a much smarter way to play this game. When you find what I call market gaps, you can get significantly more engagement with half the effort. Let me prove it to you. Look at Daniel Fazio's channel. Instead of competing directly with industry giants like Alex Hormozi, Iman Gadzi, and other creators, he focuses on creating content specifically for B2B businesses and agencies. By targeting an undeserved sub-niche, his videos consistently outperform bigger channels in terms of sales and engagement. Here's exactly how you find these market gaps. First, you use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to identify keywords with high search volume but low competition. Second, analyze smaller, successful channels in your niche. See what topics they are covering that the big channels are not and use that as inspiration. Third, you can search Reddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn for questions that are being asked frequently, because these are potential video topics that address real pain points. But finding market gaps is just the beginning. There's an even more powerful strategy that almost no one is talking about. It's what I call the outlier multiplication method. Every successful B2B channel has what we call outlier videos, videos that perform 10x better than the average. But the secret is knowing how to turn one outlier into multiple guaranteed winners. There are 3 ways to multiply any winning idea. First, horizontal. You take a successful topic and approach it from a different angle. For example, if a video on B2B sales strategies did well, you can create on B2B sales strategies for startups. Second, vertical. In this, you dive deeper into a successful topic. For example, if Shopify dropshipping course did well, you can create an entire series on the same topic. Third, parallel. In this, you use the same format but for different industries. For example, if the new way to run Facebook ads in 2024 did well, you can create a video on the new way of cold emailing in 2025. Now here's where most business owners completely mess up when it comes to content, even if they have a great idea. They forget to match their content to the right awareness level. It's what I call content market fit. Your viewers are at different stages of awareness. Some don't know they have a problem, some know the problem but not the solution, and some are just ready to buy. For different stages of awareness, you have to create different type of content. For the unaware viewers, you have to create content that highlights common challenges. For example, educational content about problems they might not know they have. For the problem aware, you have to offer insights into potential solutions. You can make guides, tutorials, and examples. For the solution aware, showcase your unique approach or methodology. Differentiate your solution from others. And for the product aware, that is the most aware, you have to provide case studies, testimonials, and even a YouTube VSL. If you don't know what a YouTube VSL is, it's similar to the VSL on your landing page, but it's less salesy and more like organic content. Now this whole system put all together will take no more than 15 minutes. Here is your exact step-by-step process. First, market gap research. Use vidIQ to find low competition but high volume keywords. Second, find 3 outlier videos. Analyze successful videos in your niche or other niches and identify what made them stand out. Third, create variations using multiplication strategy. Apply the horizontal, vertical, and parallel method. Generate multiple ideas from each winner. And last but not least, match to awareness levels. By following these steps, you'll have a pipeline of video ideas tailored to your B2B audience. And if you want to learn exactly how you can generate unlimited email leads from YouTube, watch this video next, and I'll see you in the next one.